It's time for Happy Hour, presented by Maine Spirits. It's still whiskey season. I'm just on a whiskey kick, so we're going to stick with the whiskey. And we're going to stick with the Buffalo Trace because it's my favorite whiskey for the price point. A delicious bourbon, I think, it's like under $30. Drinks like it's 100. Anyhow, we're going to make a take on a Manhattan, and I'm going to call it the Central Pack. The great thing about a Manhattan, like a martini, is that you can just alter and tweak and substitute and come up with a new drink. In fact, this drink might already have a name, but I called it the Central Park because Central Park is in Manhattan, and aren't I clever? Where's my cookie? So let's get our tool chest together. Pretty straightforward. We're going to need a nice cocktail glass. Oh, voila. We're going to need a shaker filled with ice and a strainer and the top to the shaker as well. Or, fuck it. We're going to stir this one. So a long bar spoon. For ingredients, we're going to need the following. Buffalo Trace Bourbon Whiskey, Montenegro Amaro, Fee Brothers Bitters, and a lemon for the twist. In our shaker full of ice, please pour 2 ounces of Buffalo Trace whiskey, 1 ounce of Montenegro Amaro, and 3 dashes of Fee Brothers Bitters. Gently, with our long bar spoon, gently stir it around until you can feel, with your hand on the side of the shaker, that everything is getting uniformly chilled. Then, once properly chilled, let's get our strainer out, put that on top, and pour it into our cocktail glass. Now, with a knife or a peeler, take a nice rich swath of lemon. Let's give that a little twist and release the lemon oils and give that a rub around the edge of the glass. And now, let's take a sip. Bourbon in the fall. Is there anything better than bourbon in the fall, other than gin in the summer? Every season has its spirit. Thank you for joining us for Maine Spirits Happy Hour. These recipes can be found on the Maine Spirits app, which you can download for your smartphone. Also, on the Maine Spirits website and YouTube page, you can follow them at Maine_Spirits on Instagram. And every week we'll be posting new recipes and new videos. And as always, please drink deliciously and responsibly.